Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the time to me. Let me introduce myself. My name is Boranuddin. I'm from Civil Engineering Class B. I will explain about the mortar. Mortar. Mortar is an intimate mixture of building material, fine aggregate, and water. When water is added to the dry of mixture of the property that binds not only the insert material but also the surrounding stone and bricks. If the binding material used are lime mortar and mud mortar. The insert mortar material used is sand. In the chapter first on introduction is given to the insert material sand and then the property, mixing, cutting properties and use different mortar is explained. 12.1 Sand. Sand is a natural product which is obtained actually for sand, nala sand, and pit sand. However, sea sand should not be used for the following reasons. Page 1 contains salt. The hand structure will remain damp. The mortar is affected by efference and blitters occur. Page 2 it contains cell and other organic matter which decompose after some time, reducing the life of the mortar. Sand is used in mortar and concrete for the following purpose. Point 1 subdivide the pass of binding material into thin films and allows it to adhere and spread. Point 2 fills up the gap between the building blocks and spreads the binding material. Point 3 adds to the density of the mortar the something material. Point 4 it prevents the shrinkage. Point 5 allows carbon dioxide for the deposits to reach some depth. And 3b improve setting power. Point 6 the cut of something material per unit volume is not cut as this low cost material increase the volume of mortar. Use of cement mortar. Mortar is used 1 to bind masonry units, limestone bricks, cement blocks. Point 2 to plaster slab and walls, make them impervious to give net finishing to walls and concrete walls. Point 4 for pointing masonry joints. Point 5 for preparing building blocks. Point 6 as a filter material in cement works. Point 7 to fill joints and cracks in walls. Point 8 as a filler material is on masonry. 12.3 lime mortar. Fat lime and hydraulic limes are used for making lime mortar. If fat lime used, sand mix is normally 2 to 3 times its volume. If hydraulic lime is used, sand mix is only 2 times the volume of lime. Lime is prepared by pounding if quantity required is small, or by grinding if the required quality is more. Pounding. 4 pounding pits are formed in hot grain. The size of pit is usually 118 meters and long, 0.4 meters wide and 0.5 meters deep. It is provided with lining of bricks or stone. Lime and sand remixed by required proportion is placed in the pit. Small quantity of water is added at intervals. In the 8 intervals, the mix is pounded with wooden pounders and mortar is turned up and down. The process is continued till uniform color and desired consistency is achieved. Grinding. This is the water way of getting good mix. The grinding may be carried out in the bullock-driven grinding mill or in power-driven grinding mill. 12.4 Mud mortar. Clay lumps are collected and are wet with water and allowed to mature for 1 or 2 days. It is needed until it attains required consistency. Sometimes fibrous material like gabber is added in the mix. It provokes in the plaster. If plaster is to be used for outer walls, and it is spray or paint with bitumen. It is cheap mortar. Its durability is less. It is normally used for the construction of temporary sheds and cheap houses in rural areas. 12.5 Special mortar. The following are some of the special mortars. Point 1 Cement clay mortar. Point 2 Gilded mortar. Point 3 Decorative mortar. Cement clay mortar. Quality of clay mortar can be improved by adding cement to the mix. Normal proportion of clay to cement is 1:1. It maintains the economy to some extent and there is insufficient improvement in the durability of mud mortar. Guarded mortar. It is the mortar obtained by adding cement to lime mortar. The usual proportion of cement, lime, sand are 1:6.1. This mortar is to be used within half an hour after mixing cement. Officially, it is subtracted cement mortar and its quality is between that of cement mortar and lime mortar. Decorative mortar. These mortar are obtained by using chloride cement. They are used to give pleasing appearance to outer walls. 12.6 Test and mortar. The following tests are conducted on prepared mortars to ensure their quality. Point 1 Crossing test. 2 Tensile strike test. Point 3 adhesive test. Crossing test. This test is carried out on a brickwork with the mortar. This brickwork is crushed in compression testing mechanic and the lid is not down. Then the crossing strength is obtained as load divided by cross-sectional area. Tensile strike test. The mortar prepared is placed in a mold of brick with a central cross-sectional area is pulled under the grips of pencil testing mechanic. The ultimate lead knot. Then the tensile strike of mortar is load divided by the control cross-sectional area. At first test, 2 bricks are joined together with mortar to be tested. A shown aboard is hung from the lower brick. Then wax are added to the board till the bricks spare. The adhesive strength is divided by area of contact.